Okay, so different types of comments in Lua. Now, comments are very useful when you're debugging things. So let's look at the different types of comments you can use. So there's, first of all, two of them. There's the normal dash dash that we've been using before, a comment, but specifically, this is a single line comment. That means it only works on one line. Like after this, we can write valid code, right? This will run like that, because a single line comment only works on one line. However, there is such thing as a multi-line comment, and what that does is it allows you to comment out multiple lines of code really quickly. So to do a multi-line comment, all it does is starts off with the same dash dash, bracket bracket, specifically the opening, and then it ends when you use the closing square brackets. So anything in here will not run. We can literally just type in garbage like this, and it will not run. But anything after this will always run. It's like we could say print this will always run. Da-da-da. That will always run. Now there's actually a really useful tip for using multi-line comments like this, because this works if you have a block of code that you want to isolate when you're debugging something. So here's a quick little tip. Over here we're going to still start with dash dash. It's not necessary, but it works something really cool. So over here we do dash dash square brackets, which means that this sequence tells it to start the multi-line comment, and this tells it to end the multi-line comment. But what if we actually decide we want to run the code in the middle? Well, we could just delete the start and the end, but if we add this dash dash, then all we have to do is add a third dash here, and suddenly this transforms into a single line comment from the initial dash dash. And because we added the dash dash at the end, this turns into another single line comment, which means we can toggle back and forth between multi-line and single line comments just by adding a dash here like that, which allows us to really quickly debug code.